Hello. Today is Thursday. This is my second day of Lent. So what I have here is a bacon, egg, and cheese. Um, it's like 1.5 slices of bacon on some multi-grain bread, which I use this right here. Munster cheese is 2 whole jumbo eggs and then 1 jumbo egg white. Right here I have 4 ounces of Stony Brook probiotic vanilla yogurt with 3 strawberries, a small half of a banana, and about 1 ounce of granola. And then I have 2 mangoes cut up here, and this will be what I eat for the night. Earlier I had 1 cup of red beans and rice by Vigo. My son had a football game tonight, and I broke my fast probably about 6 o'clock or so. So that was what I broke my fast. I am doing intermittent fasting for some of y'all. I did a couple of videos saying that I do intermittent fasting. I try to fast for as long as I can. I'm not really working out, so I can go 16 to 19 hours without eating. Plus I'm up late. So yesterday I was proud of myself because I did all vegetarian. I did no meat yesterday, and I got all my meals in before 11 o'clock. So I'm happy with that. And I am going to tag a video from yesterday because I forgot to put them together, 2 separate videos. And so when I tried to upload it, YouTube was like, you can't upload the same video, although it wasn't technically the same video. Part of it was. So after I did my Greek salad and hummus and stuff to finish off my night, because I was getting hungry again about 9:30, 10 o'clock, I made a cheese omelet and what you call this thing? A parfait. So I am going to add that into this video, and that's what I ended my meals with last night by 11 o'clock. And so tonight, this is going to be it for me. This is 1,263 calories, this along with the red beans and rice. And so that will be it for me for the night. And hopefully it's 8:12 now, so I'll probably fall asleep pretty quick. So thank you, and until next time, peace. I am back eating my last meal with these eggs. I made an omelet with 1 slice of Munster cheese. Then I did a 1/2 cup of vanilla yogurt with a really small piece of banana, 1 strawberry, and like 1 ounce of granola. And then try to finish much of this water off as I can for the night. So until next time, peace. Hello. Today is Friday. Thank you, Jesus. Thank God it's Friday. So, today is the 3rd day of me eating healthy and Lent, you know, and all of that stuff. So, I'm kind of making my meal for the next 1 meal, I guess. It probably won't be the last. I'll probably make me an omelet later tonight, but I'm breaking my fast with this avocado toast right here. And basically that is, you can get any type of bread you want, but I'm supposed to be not doing whites, so for Lent, too much white anyway. So I got this Lucky 7 multi-grain bread right here, and as you can see, it's made with wheat flour, not a bunch of junk in it, so it's pretty good. I got it from Sprouts. You can find probably multi-grain bread anywhere. Then I cut about an ounce and a half of this mozzarella, probably about an ounce, maybe a little over an ounce of mozzarella. I got an heirloom green tomato right here. This was a large avocado, so I cut off a little bit less than half, mashed it up, squeezed a little lemon juice in it, put a dab of minced garlic in it, and mashed it up in this bowl with my fork. And then I seasoned it with my, let me get this. I seasoned it with this. This is pretty good. I have to get another one. You just get a workout because it's the grinder part, but this is really good. It don't let out too much salt. So yeah, I seasoned it with that. A little black pepper, mashed it up, mixed it up. And here it is. I toasted my bread, lightly toasted. So this is what I'm gonna break my fast with while I'm cooking my next meal. So I'm doing sausage, tomato, cucumber, and rice. I'm fixing red beans and rice by Vigo. My sausage is this Applegate Organics sweet Italian chicken sausage. I couldn't find one of my other ones that was lower in calories, but for one link, it's 160 calories, 9 grams of fat, 13 grams of protein, so that's good. High protein count, which is something I struggle with. Could be better on the sodium, only 1 gram of carb. And you can see all of the stuff. So there's several that I buy with these types of sausages. Then I cut up 1 whole small red pepper and, you know, probably a half a cup of onion. And I'm gonna stir fry it on the stove. I sprayed my pan with this oil right here. And you can also buy this as a loose oil to, you know, lightly cook on the stove. So they do sell this in a loose oil and a spray. So yeah, this is what I use. I've been using this for a couple of months now. And so those are going to be my first 2 meals. And I got this at Sprouts for free. And I want to say it's actually pretty good. It does have a strong aftertaste from the, I guess, Zevia or whatever sweetener that they use in it. But it's actually pretty good. I was hesitant to even try it. They was giving it out for free at Sprouts. So as you can see, so this is what I drank on the way home. I had water, just been drinking water before that. So I'm about to break my fast. It is 5:50. I haven't eaten since last night. Y'all know I've been doing intermittent fasting. So just follow me on my journey. I'm gonna be doing healthy meals. You have to keep your meals healthy or else you're gonna get bored. Try different things. Look up recipes. There's a lot of Instagrammers that show different ways of healthy eating so you won't get bored. Because if you keep eating the same thing every day, you're going to get bored. And your healthy eating is going to go out the door. So you got to just try certain things. So that's what I'm going to be doing is trying certain things. And so until the next time, peace. Enjoy your weekend. This is the rest of my meals for tonight. It's vanilla yogurt, blueberries, strawberries, and granola. And this is 7 multi-grain bread with almond butter and bananas. Healthy meals. Look at that.